Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on these garage LED lights. These are super bright white and they're made by POLARPRA. So it is a 2-pack, you get 2 in the box. Here's one plugged in, ready to go. Make sure you take this little plastic cover off. You're just going to screw this in where a normal light bulb goes. You can have these facing up like this, or you can move them and they will go perfectly flat like I have this one right here. But I can adjust each one individually if I want more light in a certain area. But this is really bright. Here's what the side looks like. It does say that it is 200 watts. Looks like you can plug it into 50 or 60 hertz. Okay, so some measurements. Thickness wise, looks like it's almost 4.5 inches to the base right here. Across looks like it is 13.5 inches. And again, you can adjust these. Looks really nice. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.